Gravel root. The whole plant, particularly the root, is astringent, diuretic, nervine and tonic. It works mostly on the genito-urinary system and the uterus. It's valuable as a diuretic and a stimulant, as well as an astringent tonic. A tea made from the root and the leaves was used to eliminate stones from the urinary tract, to treat urinary incontinence in children, cystitis, uretitis, impotence, etc. Gravel root derives its name for its ability to break down stones in the kidneys and other organs of the body. The Native Americans traditionally used it for this reason, believing it could soften and dissolve the kidney stones and promote their easy passage through the system. Despite this traditional use, there's no modern scientific proof to confirm that it works. Gout can be an extremely painful condition, and it's caused when excess uric acid builds up in the joints. It can affect the joints in the entire body, but it's more typical in the feet, particularly in the big toe. Traditionally, the gravel root was used to cleanse the kidneys and dissolve the buildup of uric acid. Gravel root was famously used for centuries to treat bladder infections and other conditions affecting the urinary tract. It has excellent natural diuretic ability and a soothing astringent effect on the urinary tract. Gallstones are a common complaint that affect the gallbladder. They're not actually stones, but they're hardened deposits, and they can gather in your digestive fluid. The crystalline deposits differ in size from a grain of sand to much larger golf ball sized stones. There's no scientific evidence that the gravel root works, but traditionally it was used to dissolve the stones, in the same way that it's used to ease the passage of kidney stones and prevent them from reforming. Gravel root not only has potential benefits for humans, but it might also have benefits for pets. Dogs often suffer from kidney stones, and according to online reports, people have successfully used gravel root to treat their pets naturally. Gravel root was used by the Native American Indians as a diaphoretic to induce perspiration and to break a fever. The plant, especially the root, is astringent, diuretic, nervine and a tonic. It works on the genito-urinary system and the uterus. It's valuable as a diuretic and a stimulant, as well as an astringent tonic. A tea made from the roots and the leaves has been used to eliminate stones from the urinary tract, to treat urinary incontinence in children, cystitis and impotence. It's said to be helpful in treating rheumatism and gout by increasing the removal of waste from the kidneys. The leaves and the flowering stems are collected in the summer before the buds open, and they're dried for later use. It's considered a valuable cure in dropsy, hematuria, gout and rheumatism, exerting a special influence upon chronic renal and cystic troubles. It was used as a healing tonic, including for relief of constipation, washing wounds with a strong tea made from the root to prevent infection, and as a general tonic during pregnancy and after childbirth. Its main use is for the treatment of urinary infections and stones. It's also useful for cystitis, prostate enlargement, and for rheumatism and gout. The tea is used to induce sweating and to break a fever. The gravel root was used to help women who are experiencing difficult menstrual periods. It's said to encourage the flow of menstrual blood and to regulate its flow, and this helps to relieve two specific conditions: amenorrhea, the absence or suppression of menstruation, and dysmenorrhea, painful and difficult menstruation. The gravel root is also said to influence the entire nervous system, and its relaxant qualities are thought to be useful for relieving nervous conditions, migraines, headaches, hysteria, hypochondria, and flatulence. Gravel root helps to relieve back pain that's frequently caused by kidney inflammation. It's also beneficial for treating urinary tract infections, as it helps to flush out harmful bacteria. In Ayurvedic medicine, it was used to treat kidney stones and gallstones. It may cause an allergic reaction. It should be avoided while pregnant or breastfeeding. Several side effects when it's taken in excess can include stomach pain, nausea, and liver problems. It's best to avoid the gravel root if you're suffering from a pre-existing liver complaint. Don't apply it to broken skin, and it's not to be used for more than 28 days per year. To learn more about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.